everybody.
Hello.
I'm Lena Stharlock, and this is Little B.
Hi.
Okay, what are we doing today, B?
Unboxing.
Yes, we are doing an unboxing video. We are going to be doing something from something that I found on Amazon. It's called Sakura Box. Oh, basically, it's just a bunch of Japanese snacks.
Yes.
No idea what they taste like. I've never had a Japanese snack before.
Yes, because.
Except for maybe Pocky Sticks. I love those.
Yeah, I like Talkie sticks.
You like Pockies? You like Takis too.
Yeah, and Talkies.
Yeah. Alright.
Let's get unboxing.
Yes! Let's do this. Wow! Oh, high five, high five. 50 bucks?
Let's.
Alright.
Okay, so.
What are we doing? What are we doing? Let's see. So first of all, let's look through this thing. Let's see. What do you feel like eating? There are product information. We got crackers, other savory snacks, chocolates, cookies, wafers, pastries, candies.
I want candies.
Ramen. Is that the marble soda? Ooh.
You can do.
Gum, jellies, mochi, DIY drinks, candy kits, and website information.
Okay, guys. Let's
Okay,
get
we will get something out of there.
We'll get something unboxing.
Because we're only going to do, like, what?
Um,
How many at a time? Like 2 or 3? Does that sound fun?
3.
3? Okay, we'll do. Alright, pick out 3 at random.
Okay. First, guys, we're doing this.
Alright, what is that one? It looks like, something I can't say on here. Oh, here it is. Blister pack chocolates. They're chocolates. Colorful marble chocolates with a crispy shell. They're basically like M&Ms. So, yeah. Alright, good pick, actually. That's great. So which one do you want?
This
You want the
one.
red one? You gotta push right here, see? Push down on it and there you go.
Taste test.
Taste test. Let me do one.
Yeah.
Alright.
There.
I like it.
Yeah.
It's super good. Tastes like an M&M.
What's
Alright. Next up, we got a box of matches. Oh, right. Let me look it up.
and
Okay,
guys,
legit. I don't see this one in here. This could be anything.
so I
Here. Oh, what is that?
look like little tiny oranges.
I'm gonna try one at a time. Come on. Don't you germs on those. Alright. Kinderlad, what's it taste like?
This one peppermint.
Peppermint. Right on. Okay. Oh, it's like bubble gum. Wow, that is so flavorful. Oh my gosh. I think I'm drooling. This is good. I like that. Here's what this one looks like. Cha. And then we got this one.
No.
Alright. Hold on.
And now the other one is
Hold on.
strawberries.
Finish eating.
God, we have no idea what these snacks are.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Mmm.
Now
That's so good though.
we're gonna
Alright.
open these. Wait.
Wow.
Here. It's right.
How does it taste?
These. It's these.
I want more of that. I want more of those.
These.
Did you show them what it is?
Yeah, I
See.
showed them.
It's obviously strawberry, whatever it is. It's got strawberry. It's got a cute little bunny on it.
And guys,
No idea what it says.
no idea what it says.
It looks like one of these.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, so it's like a ramen candy. Pack of melt-in-your-mouth ramen candies in one of 5 different flavors. Strawberry, lemon, grape, orange, or melon. Okay. Oh, so the other thing. Okay, that's why I didn't notice it. That was cola. That's why it looked like that. It was gum. See?
Oh, yeah.
The Fusin gum box.
Coca-Cola.
Okay. There we go.
Okay, guys, we are opening these blue strawberries. We have no idea.
They taste like marble soda.
Marble soda.
They're marble soda candies.
Yeah.
All right, go ahead. How you dig it? Just yummy?
Oh, that.
Okay, that was a weird texture at first, no lie.
Yeah, but that.
It was like powdery, but a little bit like, I don't know. This is what it looks like, marble soda candy. Strawberry flavored. It's good though, it is good. No more of those, that's gum. What'd you do with your gum that you had? Are you still chewing it?
No.
What'd you do with it?
I eat it.
You're not supposed to eat gum,
Oh,
silly.
yeah.
Now it's gonna stay in your system for like 20 years and you're gonna poop it out and then it's gonna like fling back and hit you in the bum.
Oh.
I'm just kidding. That's what I was told when I was a kid. Alright. That's been it for this unboxing video for right now.
Yeah. So.
We're gonna do more later.
Yeah, we're gonna do more.
Later. Tell them bye.
Bye.